If somebody at that point of time in 1979 would have started investing around 1000 per month, and he would have invested diligently 1000 rupees per month for 41.5 years into Sensex, he could have also achieved 3.2 crore ka corpus. So it is not important that everything should be invested at once only. I will invest only lump sum. I won't do a monthly. Rather, the monthly investment has got a very good power into it because you are investing every month. So there is a discipline, and year on year, even if market is up or down, you are investing diligently 1000 rupees per month, and the same corpus you are able to achieve because the growth rate is around 15.4%, which we have taken. We have not taken any different figures. We have taken same years and we have taken same rate of return. The corpus is almost same. 3 point there. It was showing how much it was showing 3.8. So if we take maybe a slightly bigger SIP ka amount, it will come to that, or maybe 1200. Yes. So somebody would have started a 1200 rupees systematic investment into Sensex, and we would have continued. We would not have looked at the investment for the 41.5 years. He would have also been able to achieve a corpus of 3.84. So it is not a what you say, a magic. You can also do that provided you invest diligently, religiously every month, month on month, year on year. So what are the benefits of investing monthly? I'm coming to now last part of the investment on investment planning. What you should do, you should for any of your goals, maybe it a small goal, a short-term goal, medium-term goal, or a long-term goal. The first and foremost important tool is a systematic investment plan. You also must have been hearing mutual funds and all those campaigns which are running on the all the print and TV media. They are calling about mutual fund and systematic investment plan. So systematic investment plan is not some magic. You must have heard about bank RD, recurring deposit. What you do over there, you invest some fixed amount every month into bank, and then you get a fixed interest. The same way you can invest into equity through systematic investment plan. So it is a tool that allows you to invest into mutual funds through small and periodic investments. What are the benefits of it? First of all, if you have identified your goal, then it helps you to set aside a fixed amount every month for investment. Because once you start a systematic investment plan, automatically that fixed amount gets invested every month. Automatically, that is the most important part. So you need not make every month actually log into the system and do the investment. Once you are registering a systematic investment plan, it will automatically invest your amount, fixed amount, every month, year on year. So there is a discipline which is brought into your investments. So you need, as I told you earlier, you know there is no need to wait to collect a large amount of money to invest all at once. The example which I gave you of 1 lakh and 1200 ka SIP. So you need not wait for to have a big corpus so that I can start the investment. Even with a small amount of money, you can start your systematic investment plan. Just to give you the figure, you can start with even a 500 rupees per month ka investment. Even with a 500 rupees per month, you can start your systematic investment plan. So if it is short, small goal, you can start with a 500. If it is a bigger goal, you can start maybe obviously with a higher amount. Again, you can invest with a step up thing. This year I am investing into 500. Next year it will grow to 600 or 700 per month, and that's how it will keep on growing. What does it do? It is very important. It imparts you financial discipline. Generally, what we do, we say कि नहीं जब भी पैसा आएगा at that time I will invest. Whenever I have got money, then I will invest. No, it doesn't happen. The human nature is such that before investment, we think of spending onto the luxuries. So the systematic investment plan brings financial discipline to your life. If you have identified your goals and you start your investment, automatically you will be on your path to achieve the goals. The next most important thing what it does is it you invest irrespective of the market conditions. I showed you the video in which what was happening. The graph was very volatile. On one month it was up, next year it was down. So generally the human tendency is that we feel very fearful when the market is going down. We feel very fearful. Okay, market is going down, so it is. There are chances that I will lose out on my capital. But actually, that is a time when you should make the investment because the stocks are available very cheap. So how the SIP helps you? It invest every month, month on month, year on year, irrespective of the market conditions. So it takes out human emotions out of the investment. And then the next important thing is it helps you in cost averaging to neutralize the market volatility. Also, the the benefit which I have rather told you many number of times in last few slides, it gives you the benefit of power of compounding. So if you are investing for a longer duration, for the longer time, your money will keep on growing. At the it helps you to, even if the future goal is looking like an unachievable goal, because of the power of compounding and the time horizon that you give to your investment, you can get the benefit of power of compounding, and you are able to achieve your financial goals. The last point which I am coming to is it helps you to achieve your financial goal and create wealth over long term. So nothing is impossible in this world. If you want to achieve your financial goals, you can very well achieve that, but you need to be patient. You need to start investment early, invest into right asset class, and invest regularly over a long term. Now, till now, we have discussed, rather I have explained you. If you remember in our financial planning thing, there were three items: retirement, investment, and insurance. I have not yet talked about insurance, but now I am coming to that. Why it is now the time to think about insurance? What till now we were doing, we were planning about our financial goals and how we can achieve those goals through investment. Here, what we are assuming, yeah, I'm going to be there for whole life. I'm going to do the work. I'm going to earn a lot of money, and I'm going to do the investment as per financial plan suggested by sir, and I am going to achieve the goals. Here, what we are assuming that we are immortal. Nothing is going to happen to us. But for example, take the retirement goal. After you have started the family, you have started planning for your children or maybe for your retirement. Obviously, there is another other family members are there for whom you are planning. But if something happens to you, what will happen to their goals? If you are the major earning member of your family and you are not there, then how the same goals can be achieved? Obviously, if you are not there, then that monthly investment, systematic investment plan, blah, 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 what I told you cannot be done because you are not there. So every month money is not going to come in the form of salary and the investment cannot be done. But the goals are going to be there. Retirement, if you take retirement or education goals for anything, or even if you are, what do you say, financial freedom for maybe a family. So how that can be achieved? So then you need to protect your goals. So you need to ring fence your goals, and that can be achieved through insurance.